Alright, in this origami video, I'm going to do the $10 ring. Did the 20, did the 1, did the 50 and 100. Didn't do the 5 because the 5 doesn't look good. Alright, so the fresher, crisper the bill you can use, the better. On this one, we're going to use the back side for the face of the bill. We're going to use this. It'll be this corner here. Top left corner. So step one is you're going to want to fold back just to where you don't see the green edge there, like so. So it's a small fold. Make sure it's nice and even. Next, I'm going to fold it in half again, bringing this to its edge. That's right, Toby. You tell him. Yeah. That second fold, and then one more time, fold it in half. Next, you're going to fold this back. This is your face. No, it's not your face, it's the $10 face. Just to the edge of the green, like that. And then again, just past the 0. On this particular origami, it does pay to be fairly precise. Precision pays off. And it's right, Toby. Okay, then we're about size of 90 degree angle, like so. Now, keep in mind that's the face. You're actually going to roll it, which is not intuitive to me anyway, back on itself, like so. And then fold the excess across the top. Bring the face over, adjust it so it's up to the edge here. And then tuck the other part. This is a good point to do the tuck because it's easier to get it under before you do this step, which is taking the excess and going through the opening. Make sure you push it so all that's tight too. And your final step is taking that last little flap and tucking it underneath the top part here. Now, sometimes you might be able to get it between the two folds there. I don't know if you can see that or not. But if you just get it underneath that opening, that should hold it. We'll give you this one. We'll put it on your tail. This is usually the hardest part, to get that last little bit tucked in there. There you go. Voila. Don't really like the 10 that much either because the 10 is kind of small. It's almost like half the size of the face. But find a finger here and just see how it fits compared to this one. The one I had on my finger is really tight. Most of these for me are really pinky rings. Yeah, that one's pretty damn tight. Not coming off easily. But again, like I said, usually it's a pinky ring, unless you got skinny fingers. So there you have it, $10 ring origami.